Welcome to Granding YouTube channel. Today I'm thrilled to showcase an amazing product, the GT-LPR-LDV4 license plate recognition integrated machine. This beauty here is a game changer in parking lot management. It features a state-of-the-art license plate recognition camera. The entire machine has an integrated design with an LED display, voice broadcast, fill light, and a fixed base. What really sets it apart is our independently developed top-class license plate recognition algorithm. This baby can quickly and accurately identify license plates without the need for vehicles to stop or drivers to swipe cards. Another great advantage is its easy installation. No more dealing with bulky ticket boxes. Thanks to its outstanding features, the GT-LPR-LDV4 is widely used in various parking lot management scenarios. So, if you're looking to upgrade your parking lot management system, the GT-LPR-LDV4 from Shanghai Granding is the way to go. If you have any questions about purchasing or technical details, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.